Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen and welcome to part 2 of my Explore Ellen Wille series. Okay, today, I really thought this was only going to be 2 parts, but I have so much to show you. I think I'm going to break this up into 3 parts because I really want to go into detail with each wig, how it fits, what I like about it, and let you have a good look at each style. Now again, this will work just like all my other videos work. If you see something you like, go to the drop down box below this video and there will be a link to the review of the wig. I'm not going to review these wigs, I'm just going to show them to you, talk to you about fit, give you a look at the color, but if you want the full review, they will be linked below this video in the drop down box. Also, all of these wigs are from wigstudio1.com. I either purchased them or they were sent to me for previous review. So all the wigs you'll see today are available at wigstudio1.com. Now let's get started and explore Ellen Wille. Okay, let's start with Ellen Wille Movie Star in Saffron Red. I love this wig. I like the curls. I have this wig in several colors. It's just easy. It's fun. Throw on and go. It has a lace front and a mono crown, so it looks like it's coming growing right out of the top of your head. Let me show you this lace front. Beautiful Ellen Wille lace front. Now, this fit me perfectly. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. I did not have to take this in. It's not snug. It's a perfect fit. Now, we discussed in my previous video that, you know, sometimes people think Ellen Wille only fit petite. That is not the case. I have several friends who have 21.75, 22, even larger inch heads, and they can wear some Ellen Willes. So that's why I want to talk to you about the fit of each one. Some of these fit me perfect, some are large, and I just want to point that out to you in case you're looking for something and you have a little larger head circumference. So again, Movie Star. This is a lovely, lovely wig. Throw on and go. Just run some water through these curls or your styling product of choice to separate them. I do not comb through my curly wigs. I like the look of this, just shattered waves on these wigs. You could comb this and give it more of a softer look if you'd like, but I prefer it just like this. This is Wave Deluxe in Champagne Rooted. Okay, Wave Deluxe. This is a hand-tied cap. Now, it has the polyurethane ear tabs, lace front, of course, that goes all the way down, hand-tied, low density. This fit me large. I have brought this in. So this is a lot of room in this cap, in my opinion. And let's just keep this in mind before I go any further. This is just my opinion, and I can't speak to how this would fit on you or how it really fits on anyone else. I can only tell you how it fits on me in my experience. So with this wig, in my experience, it fits a little large. I have Wave Deluxe in several colors, and again, just these soft, easy to wear waves. Throw on and go, really low density, a beautiful style. Okay, this is Ellen Wille Limit in Caramel Rooted. This one does not have a lace front. This has a left mono part. This fit me perfectly. I have not done any adjustment to it. Like I said, it does not have a lace front. You don't really need it. You have these little side sweeping bangs that you can pull down. Lovely. Low density. Even though this does not have a lace front, there is very little permatease. Ellen Wille really does not have a lot of permatease in the styles I wear. There is some in some of their wigs. Of course, you have to have it in some wigs to give it the style, to give it the lift, what you need, and I love permatease, so that's not a problem for me ever. But this has some at the nape. Like I said, there's a full review on my channel if you'd like to see more, but if you're looking for a nice style, this does not have much wave, a little wave, but not a lot. Out of the box, easy to wear. This is Tempo 100 Deluxe in Sand Mix. This is such a pretty color, I think. I like this layering around the face. Really pretty. Lots of people can wear this. Now, I will tell you, this fit me quite snug. Again, I have a 21¼ inch head circumference. This has a mono top, hand-tied cap, lace front. It has it all. Super low density. Beautiful, beautiful style. This is Elite in Ginger Rooted. Now, Elite fit me large. This is open wefted. It has a mono part. It has a lace front. But yeah, this fits large, in my opinion, on me anyway. Again, these bobs by Ellen Wille are so easy to wear. They're so low density. Even though this is open wefted, it has the smallest amount, minimal permatease, and there is a little at the nape, which is the case on most of these styles, but just gorgeous. I love the shape of this. I think it's very wearable. Looks good behind your ear. You could do lots with this style. This is Beach Mono and Pearl Blonde Rooted. This girl is a little wild. She is really out there. I like these shattered curls. This beachy wave, so popular. She has a lace front mono part. Show you the back. I tend to tame this one a little bit when I wear it. I will pull this back in a clip or a headband, and it's just adorable. Lots, like I said, lots of fun waves. Now, this fit me quite large. I have it pulled all the way in, the adjusters all the way in, so this was a large fit. This is Flirt in Caramel Rooted. Has a lace front, mono part. I literally just took the tags off of this wig. It is a little shiny. It needs some dry shampoo, a little cold water soak will take care of that right off. Low density, very, very low density. Fits me a tad large. I did not bring it in, but I could. I could bring it in just a little bit. Beautiful face framing layers. This color is so gorgeous. Like I said, you know, with synthetic fibers, sometimes they are a little bit shiny, but that is not a problem. Easy to take care of. Beautiful wig. This is Girl Mono and Light Bernstein Rooted. This is one of my favorite styles as well. Now, I love the curls on this. I have this wig in 3 or 4 different shades. Like I said before, I don't run a comb through this. I take out the zigzag part when it comes, and then I'm finished. I never run a comb through this wig ever. It is always just scrunched with a little styling product, a little water just to separate the curls, and that's all I want to do. This fits me perfect. I do not have to do any adjustment on this at all. Beautiful lace front. This color is so pretty. I love the highlighting. If you haven't tried it, I would encourage you to have a look at Girl Mono. This is Adore in Champagne Rooted. No video about Ellen Wille styles, in my opinion, would be complete without talking about Adore. I have Adore in this same color. I believe I have repurchased this 2 or 3 times. Yes, it is expensive. It is a blend of human hair and synthetic fibers. It is worth the money, in my opinion. I can only speak to my opinion. You get the best of both worlds with this wig. It's heat friendly, of course. You could add some wave to this if you want. I have never done that. I like the style, the feel of this is just like human hair. It is just beautiful, low density. It has a wefted cap, but it is covered. So if you want to see more about that, be sure to look at my video. Like I said, it'll be linked below. Lace front, of course. I can't tell you, I just can't talk enough about this wig. It's how much I really enjoy this style. I just love the ease of it. It looks so natural. There's no shine to these fibers. Like I said, it is a blend of synthetic and human hair. You can wash this. It keeps its style, but it looks and feels like human hair. This is Ellen Wille Touch and Tobacco Rooted. Wow, this is a lot of hair. It's long, it's gorgeous. It has a lace front, it has a mono part, it is super low density. Now, this is a lot of hair for me. I would tend to wear this pulled back. It is great for a ponytail. Easy to wear off your face. Pull this back, pin it up. It's perfect. I like to have some of these longer wigs on hand for just that reason. Sometimes it's just fun to do something completely different, completely out of your box. This is such a gorgeous wig. The fibers are beautiful. This is, look at these beautiful waves, gorgeous. This fit me quite large. I had to bring this all the way in. So if you have a larger size head, I think this would work. I have a friend who has 21.75 and she loves this wig. Ellen Wille Touch. This is Eclat in Bernstein Mix. This is one I have fallen in love with and want it in different colors. I like it that much. It has a partially hand-tied cap, meaning there is wefting in the back that is covered. Again, I have a video, so be sure to look at that if you want to see the inside of the cap. Gorgeous Ellen Wille lace front, fibers. There's nothing about this wig I don't like. I love these beautiful curls. It is so pretty right out of the box. Throw on and go. I did not do any adjustment. Fits me like a glove. This is a really nice style. If you haven't looked at it yet, look at Eclat. I hope you enjoyed that look at a few more of my favorite Ellen Wille styles. That was part 2. Stay tuned for part 3. I have more to show you, more colors, more links. I hope you're enjoying this. I love making these videos for you. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me lots of comments. I love to talk to you, get your ideas, get your views on different wigs. Tell me how you like Ellen Wille. So be sure to leave me lots of comments. And don't forget, follow me over on Instagram at CrazyWigLady. I have completely different content there, so be sure to join me. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time.